Hello students, now I am going to continue with the chapter triangles of 9th standard, and the concept is similar triangles. So here we see the similar triangles. Similar means this one is also rectangle, here, this figure is also of rectangle, both are the triangles. So for first we're going to see the definition of the similar triangles. So definition is: for given one-to-one correspondence between two triangles, if the corresponding angles are congruent and the sides are in proportion, then the correspondence is known as the similarity and the two triangles are said to be similar. So here we see two triangles with some measurements. Here we can see that these angles are congruent, and these are congruent, and the measurements of the sides are also given. So here for the correspondence, that is ABC correspondence PQR, ABC correspondence PQR. First we're going to say about the sides. So AB upon PQ. So AB, that is 2, and PQ is 3. So 2 upon 3. Next BC upon QR. So 4 upon 6, that is again 2 by 3. And last one, that is AC upon PR. So AC is of 6 and PR is 9. So by reduction we get here again 2 by 3, means the three sides, the ratio of the three sides here, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. So these ratios are same, and so all the sides are in proportion. Here also the angles, that is A is congruent with P, B is congruent with Q, and C is congruent with R. We can see this in the figure. So angle A is congruent with angle P, B is congruent with Q, and angle C is congruent with R. And so by the definition of the similar triangles, if the sides are in proportion and the angles are congruent to their corresponding angles, then the two triangles are similar. So here triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Now we're going to see with the practice set 3.5. So question number 1, if triangle XYZ similar triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of two triangles and also write the ratios of corresponding sides. Means here we are given the two similar triangles, that is triangle XYZ is similar with triangle LMN. So this is given. So if the two triangles are similar, their sides are proportion and their angles are congruent. So here angle X is congruent with angle L, angle Y is congruent with angle M, and angle Z is congruent with angle N. So what is the long form of this one? That is CAST. That is corresponding angles of similar triangles. In the previous examples we learned about the congruent triangles. So here we use the CT, that is CAST. But here the triangles are similar, so we write here that is corresponding angles of similar triangles. So we see that is angles are congruent. Now the sides are in proportion. So how to write the sides? So XY first second, here also LM first second, XY upon LM is equals to second third, that is YZ upon MN is equals to first third, here also first third, that is XZ upon LN. So sides are in proportion, so we can write that is CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now see the question number 2. In triangle XYZ, XY is equals to 4 cm, YZ is equals to 6 cm, XZ is 5 cm, and triangle XYZ is similar with triangle PQR. PQ is 8 cm. Then find the length of the remaining sides of the triangle PQR. So see, in this example we have already given that is the two triangles are similar, and we learned that if the triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion and their angles are congruent. But here we have given one side and we have to find out the remaining sides. So first we are going to find out the sides. So here triangle XYZ similar with triangle PQR, that is given. So we are going to write the sides in proportion. So how to write down? So XY first second, that is XY upon PQ is equals to second third, that is YZ upon here second third, that is QR. And the next first third, that is xz upon pr. So xz upon pr. So the reason is CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. And now we are given the measurements. So xy is 4. यहाँ पे xy is equals to 4 दिया गया है. So we put down here value, and PQ we are given that is 8. Next YZ is 6 and QY we are not given, so put it as it is. XZ, that is 5, and PR is as it is. Now see, here we put down the values of 3 ratios. Now see, in the first ratio we are given both the values, so we have to compare this with second ratio as well as third ratio. So we are going to write down the first two ratios. 4/8 is equals to 6 upon QR. Now we are taking the cross, so 8 into 6 upon 4. So by solving it we get here 12. Now we compare this first ratio with the third one to find out the value of PR. So 4/8 is equals to 5 upon PR. Now taking cross, so 8 into 5 upon 4. 4 2s are 8, so 5 2s are 10. So this is all about the practice set 3.5, and also there is the end of this chapter, and in next lecture we are going to see the new chapter. Thank you.